Hi guys! Good afternoon. Katapos na ng work natin. And may pa-surprise tayo kay Kathleen. For a little surprise lang mga bebe ko. For Valentine's Day. Ayan, diba? So, because she's doing really well sa school. And she's behaving herself din. Nakikinig siya. You know, not 100% na sobrang very ano siya. Pero nakikinig siya guys. And lately, brush your teeth. Yes ma'am. You know, so I wanna at least reward her na nakikinig siya sa akin. Kasi sometimes guys, hindi ko siya talaga ini-spoil si Kathleen. Never ko siyang everything that she want o she ask ko, ibibigay ko agad. Never kong ginawa yun. But I'm gonna surprise her. Ayan, for beautiful, simple balloon for her for Valentine's Day, no? As a mom, no? So, hintayin natin kasi naiya ako punta doon kasi may dala-dala tayong tapos yung mga ibang mama. So cute. Ayan guys. And I chose the neon pink, my favorite. Tapos metallic pink and baby metallic pink. Thank you so much to my Dishana. And very tired guys. But hopefully, ma-surprise yung anak natin. Deserve ng anak ko to mga bebe ko. Kasi lately, I have been very strict kay Kathleen. Sobrang stricto ko sa kanya. Like ko siya pinapagalitan konting mali lang. But this time guys, parang na-feel ko na I think she deserves something na surprise, diba? And a little bit of bunny Kit Kat. So, yung mga baby ko. Let's go. Naiya ko sa mga mom. May mga mom dyan. Ako lang may dalang balon. Guys, bahay na kami. So, I got a power bank for myself para pagpunta kami ng city. Hindi ko dala-dala yung sobrang bigat na power bank, guys. This is power bank laser brand 5,000 mAh. And this is really cute. I like the holographic. Para siyang holographic nga, no? And I also bought the homework book for Kathleen. Kasi instead of doing it online, we actually doing it manually, guys. Like, well, like physically. Book. Ayan. Itong kailangan niya. Sabi nila, we can buy this. So, we do have them in our store sa aking work. And yes. So, we're gonna start doing this kasi nandito lahat. Except yung mathematics na kailangan niyang gawin online. But pretty much all of the homework from online, ito yung book na kailangan bilhin guys para hindi na kami lagi sa laptop or sa MacBook or sa online. Mas gusto ko kasi yung ganito para hawak niya, lapis lang. And then, you know, we will try to teach her every pages. Ganyan. So, ito yung parang online siya na that's not really like andito na siya. That's your homework book, my love. Mga bebe ko. Okay, itry natin to. Sirain na natin yung packaging. Tingnan natin kung yung pinakamabango. Let's see. Oh, this one is the Hawaii. Coconut cream and tropical fruit. Ayoko mag-spray guys. Buksan. Oh my god. So smells really good. Perfect for travel talaga, no? Or like yung maliit lang yung bag mo. And dito naman fresh lychee and warm praline. Oh my god. They all smells really refreshing and smells really good. Kaya ko yung amoy niya kasi hindi ako masyado sa mga matatapang na amoy. Lagi ako nahihilo na lately mga bebe ko. And this one is the sweet tangerine and vanilla orchid. Sounds exciting. Oh, I love this. Itong dalawa gusto ko. Ito si coconut cream and tropical fruit and sweet tangerine. Ito, it's like very, ano siya, floral yung kanyang amoy. But also bearable. So, I like them. Perfect sa ating work guys. Kaysa yung perfume ko na mga 100 ml, 80 ml ba yung 75. Gusto ko magbaon ng pabango. Yung maliit lang yung mga ganyan, travel size ba? Kasi yung daladala ko na from MCO as well. My favorite sweet guava and fresh coconut naman to. It's really good. Para siyang dupe nung oh my god. Kalimutan ko yung nasa Mecca. Yung popular ngayon na dupe nito. Na meron sila dyan sa may Mecca. It's $60 yung malaki nun. But this one guys, $10 lang pag half price. Normally $20, but $10 half price sa BW. Tapos pag meron ka pang extra discount. And ito, 25 for 3. Pero bili ko lang siya ng $2.50 kasi yung packaging niya, it's, I don't know, parang, ano nila, ginawa nilang clearance. Paubos na to, which is thank God. And then meron tayong mga bago. Ilagay ko muna sa aking lunch bag sa loob para hindi ko makalimutan. Ang dami kong gagawin, guys. Finally finish yung work natin. Thank you so much, Lord, for the blessings and everything. Yung anak ko is such a good girl. Nung pinick up ko siya, very happy siya. And we're gonna try to do a what do you call that? We're gonna try to do homework tonight. Para okay na. I'm gonna hang the towels. Mga bebe ko kasi Daddy's got put the washing. So I have to do the hanging kasi si Daddy's cut yung nag-wash ko. Ay, cellphone natin. I can't wait to have camera, no? Yan. Pag tayo ay tinupag, guys, talaga. Pag tayo ay tinupag, bibilin talaga ako ng aking camera, no? Pero hanggat kaya ko pa naman tong phone natin. Dito muna tayo sa phone. No, mga bebe ko. So, just finished work. We're supposed to go out tonight, guys. Kaya lang, we realized for Valentine's, no? Nagpabook na kami sa Vitally. But we realized na si Daddy Scott won't finish until 6:30. And then yung booking namin is between 5 to 7 lang. Dapat yung kainan. Kasi 7:30 o 7 o'clock may nakabook. Kaya, I don't know what to do, guys. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain ng Valentine's dinner. I'm happy to stay home. Kasi pwede naman ako magluto ng nilagang baboy. Meron pa naman tayong gulay. Pero gusto ni Daddy Scott kasi na mag-dinner sa labas. I'm not sure, mga bebe ko, if matuloy pa. Because, and, storm, like, mamaya, malakas yung ulan na naman. Umulan daw maghapon, sabi ni Papi Charles. So, buti na lang sinamahan niya ako na pick upin si Kathleen sa school. And then, sinurprise ko yung anak ko. All the moms looking at me, so sweet daw. Sabi ko naman, hindi ko yan ini-spoil, to be honest, yung anak ko. Bihira ko siyang sinusurprise ng ganyan si Kathleen. Kasi, I want her to appreciate everything, guys, like every little things talaga, no? Not all of she asks, ganyan binibigay ko lahat. Pag may ginawa siyang mabuti, lalo yung mga sobrang maganda na nakikinig siya, tapos nagano siya, never ko siya talagang nire-reward ng ganyan, guys. Mga simple ba. But sometimes, it's good naman na i-surprise natin yung anak natin. Kasi such a good girl si Kathleen, mga bebe ko. Nakikinig yung anak ko. Tapos toothbrush, yes mommy. Shower, yes mommy. Let's eat. And then she's eating, touch wood, she's eating really well lately. She's eating a lot of fruit. Yun ang anak ko. Yun ang gusto ko sa anak ko. Are you excited for your homework? Yeah! Oh, excited na siya sa homework niya. Ako pa yung hindi. Ako yung ano, guys. Hindi na daw siya sa homework niya. Diyos ko, my God, anak. Sabi ko mamaya, excited na daw siya gumawa ng kanyang homework. Nakakaloka. Oh yeah, this is homework. Yes? Do you like your new homework book? Nagmerienda na siya ng ham and cheese. Yung KitKat, tinago ko, guys. Kinain lang niya yung maliit na ulo niya. Alright, I'm coming. Eh, nasampay na muna. Isampay ko lang muna natin dyan. And then later, I'm gonna put it away sa labas. Kaya ng ulan kasi. Ayan. It's a rabbit pizza. So cute. Guys, carbonara pizza and then meron kaming ravioli. Okay, let's eat. Very rushing, my God. Very fun. Thank you. Mommy, what's the bunny ear? Thank you, Daddy, for our flowers. Oh my gosh. Flower. Tapos may mga balon. Dinala-dala pa ni Kathleen sa restaurant yung balon. Pero nung pinikap kami ni Scott, may dala siyang flower. Ayan. Thank you, Daddy, for the flower. Happy Valentine's Day. Hindi ko naman to in-expect. Sabi ko, wag na lang mga ganitong flower. Pero nakaka-touch lang ba? Wait. Thank you, Dad. I'm wearing the same dress again, mga bebe ko. Katapos na natin ng work, guys. And then, the last time na nag-vlog tayo, gamit ito yung suot ko. Sorry naman, guys. Baka sabihin nyo, wala na, naghihirap na, wala nang masuot. But, yeah, it's Saturday. No, anak daw. Katapos ng work natin, Saturday. I'm not supposed to work Saturday, guys, but my big boss called me in for work today, and then tomorrow, Sunday, work ulit tayo. Oh my God, my body is like really bad. It's very sore. And work din tayo Friday. No, nag-work din tayo ng, that's right, Friday. I think Friday. Nag-work tayo o Thursday. Hindi ko na alam, guys, kung kailan. This week, one day lang yung day off natin, no? But, it's, pinick up namin yung ni Scott. Dry clean. Pinadry clean niya and ironing na lang din. Tanggalin natin yung mga plastic. Pinick up niya kanina. So, pinick up rin niya ako. And then, pinick up namin si Kathleen sa kanyang best friend kasi nag-play date sila sa bahay nila. Which is such a big help, no? Day off ni Scott today, but nakapag din siya kahit papano me time. But not me time, guys, because Daddy Scott is very busy around the house. Parang siya yung housewife ko, guys, si Daddy Scott, kasi almost siya lahat ang nagwawash, nagsasampay ng labahan, tapos hindi naman nagtiklop, naglilinis, nagva-vacuum, guys. Kung alam nyo lang talaga, hindi kasi ma-vlog yan, hindi rin siya pwedeng i-vlog, but I'm very grateful and napakaswerte ko sa asawa ko, mga baby ko, no? Like, super swerte ko sa asawa ko kasi siya na yung naglalaba, siya pa yung nagsasampay, siya pa yung nagva-vacuum, siya pa yung naggagawa ng lunch ng anak namin going to school, siya yung nagpipick up, nagda-drop, like pretty much siya yung aking housewife ba. Ay, naku, multitask si Daddy Scott, guys, multitask siya. Anyway, magluto na tayo, guys. Tapos siya pa yung nagpakulo ng aking malaking karne. Pinakuluan niya. Tinat ko siya kanina. It's boiled, very soft na. Yung kalahati niya nilalaga ko na may gulay. Tapos yung kalahati ay air fry natin. Para naman hindi tayo masuya sa isang sa isang what do you call that? Isang putahe. Alright, so malinis na yung kwarto ng anak ko. Maayos na, but not really maayos, but better than nothing, no? Alright, mga bebe ko. Na binili sa akin ni Scott yesterday. Thank you so much, Daddy, for the surprise gift ng flower. Nung nag-dinner kami kagabi, Valentine's Day kagabi, guys. So, sana mahaba-haba yung buhay nila, no? Sana mahaba-haba ang buhay ng flower natin. Kasi ang mahal-mahal ng flower sa Australia. Diyos ko, Lord. Oh my God, guys. Bahay na tayo. Happy Sunday. Nag-work tayo, mga bebe ko. Hindi sana ako mag-work kasi kahapon nag-work tayo. So, straight siya. Yung work natin. Yung off lang natin this week. It was Thursday. No? So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday off, Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, work. Grabe, 6 days tayo nag-work this week. So, tomorrow again, Monday, Tuesday, and then off ko ng Wednesday. And then, I'm gonna be, and then work Thursday and Friday. And then, mag-off ako ng Saturday. Katawan ko, guys. Kaya naglagay tayo ng, yung from Atomy na yung, di ko lang kung nakikita nyo. Dalawa, dito mga bebe ko. Dalawa siya. It's very, and then kailan ko pa mag-ayos ng kwarto ni Kathleen, mga bebe ko, dahil alam niyo na, pag si Mami ay nasa work.
My iPad needs to be charged because I actually watched this the whole day because look.
Oh, it's low bat. Okay, let's go and charge it. I'll show you how to charge so you know next time how to charge your phone. The iPad, okay? Regalo ko yan kay Kathleen, guys, sa birthday niya. Napaaga kasi sira na yung iPad niya. And April pa yung birthday niya, pero napaaga yung gift ko sa kanya. Kasi, gift namin sa kanya. Kasi guys, ginagamit itong phone ko. Especially pag naggagala kami. And, alam nyo naman, kailangan natin keep in touch sa phone natin, family. And, meron din akong nire-review na ginagawa sa phone ko, guys. Ganyan. So, every time na, malabas kami or sa bahay, ginagamit niya yung phone ko. And, it's really, syempre, so, nilibay natin yung iPad. And then, sabi ko, kunin na natin. And then, ganun din naman. Bubuksan at papagamit. No, don't waste it, Mala. Oh, that's your tattoo? From the birthday. So, ano siya ng birthday. Teka, wait ng kape ko, guys. At, yung flower natin ay, dito pa. For, ating Valentine's Day. Flower from Daddy.
But it's not coming off.
Not coming off?
How do you take it off?
I don't know. We have to ask Daddy later. Okay?
No.
Okay, well, I'll show you how to charge the iPad. Tattoo niya ay, guys, ahas. Ayaw ko pa man din ng ahas. Ayaw ko pa man din ng ahas, guys. Sobrang yan ang big fear ko sa mga ahas. Sa mga ahas na katauhan. Sa mga ayaw ko talaga sa mga ahas, no? Ahas talaga. Oh, okay. Close ko na yung vlog, guys. And then, pahinga muna tayo ng 30 minutes. And then, after natin magpahinga ay, we're gonna go out for dinner. Sabi ni Daddy Scott, mag-dinner daw tayo sa labas. Yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we hope to see you in our next one. Bye, mga bebe ko.